What's up? Quick intro here. Just this is my video on the AliExpress build that I've done. BXT frame, but as you'll see in this video, it's very much looking like a Santa Cruz. Total cost £1,130. So we'll do the quick bike check on the AliExpress. Ignore the Santa Cruz stickers. Put them on for fun. Looks pretty smart, to be fair. Got the P3 Ztto hooks and the Ztto Wheels. And then we've got these brakes, which are just insane. Same up front with the wheels, with the Fox 36, which I picked up real cheap. Bomber shock, again, picked that up real cheap. I don't know what the dropper price was, it was like 50 quid. AliExpress. DMR Brendogs, I think they were £30 on AliExpress. Cranks are these Evosid, I mean they look sick. SLX drivetrain, sunshine cassette, I guess just a cheap one, but the whole bike came to £1,130. Yeah, SLX shifters, Spank Stem, which I had laying around, which looks sick with the hubs, and then what else are we on? Nukeproof handlebars. They were on sale. Actually got them for like £6 when chain reaction went under, so crazy. As is the saddle, that was £2. And these grips, which are awesome, Ztto. They're just basically a bit bigger, and very much enjoying that. And issues so far. So there's been 2 issues on this build. The first issue is that this shock bolt is a right pain to get to. So to tighten it up, you have to either let the air out, and I can kind of get my way in through this gap, but that came loose on one ride. So I've slapped a load of Loctite on there, and it seems to have fixed it. But other than that, that's not too bad. And the second thing is on these wheels, I have been getting a bit of sealant coming out of the bead here, so I'm thinking I will retape them and see if that resolves it. But yeah, I mean, they're pretty minor issues for a bike that looks that good. The AliExpress rig. Let's see how it goes on the chunk today. Out in the Peak District today, headed up Win Hill. Probably the best tracks in the area, I'd say. And yeah, be a nice test for the rig. Let's see if it snaps on me. Could be the end. But people always go on their YouTube, talk about how well a bike climbs. It doesn't climb as good as an e-bike. It climbs like a bike, depends how fit you are. I think it's kind of, all bikes climb like shit depending on how steep the hill is. So we just go with not as good as an e-bike. Here you go. full carbon, a bit nicer than lifting an e-bike over that. Okay, top of Win Hill. This will be the first rough descent I've done on this bike. Let's see how we get on, I suppose. Take it nice and steady to start off. Quite fast down here. Nicely. Oh, she's fast. So first minor issue is we've got a bit of sealant coming out of the rim to bead now. That might just be a taping issue, so it's not gone down really, so that's good. And we've got a little electric pump just in case, but yeah, we'll try and sort that out at some point. However, before then, let's ride down the tracks and see how we go. This one's another good one. I don't know what this one's called, but it's good. Drink a high there. Double air over the roofs. It's just real nice. Got to try and carry your speed. Oh yeah, oh yes, got it. Into the sketchy chute. Never dry that bit. Around it. We do the drop. Let's have a look at it. Oh, we did it. Nice. Retreat. And away. Awesome. Yeah, we definitely lost a bit more sealant down there. So, we've just come up a climb known locally as Shit Bastard Climb. Can confirm it's a real shit bastard. And I can also confirm, contrary to what anyone says about bikes, e-bikes are better at climbing. Regardless, they're all shit. Get an e-bike. I've got one and it's well good, but this is also pretty fun. Hey ho. Okay, so I'm going to drop into the top of the gift and then we're going to veer off to Benji's berms, which is probably the steepest thing I ride up here, and it'll be a real good test for these IIIpro brakes. And yeah, we'll see how we get on. So far so good. And this bit of track is real nice. good. Oh, we did the jump. Oh, some track. Alright, we'll go off this way. So this one, Benji's berms, this is probably, yeah, I'd say this is my limit in terms of steep. It's pretty out there for me. So we'll see if we can get down on this bike. Now we can usually do it, so it'll be a very good test of the brakes though, because it's literally 100% brakes for me. But conditions are feeling nice, so I think we should be good. Let's see how we get on. It's real steep now. Oh, I've nailed it. The corner's perfect. Well, it might be the best I've ever ridden it, and it's on my AliExpress bike, so it's pretty back at the top, last descent. There's my hub, the Ztto P3, we'll check on that. Nice. Alright, let's have it. It's a nice track to finish on this one. The roller coaster. Okay.
test for the brakes. To the back end. And away. Sick. Concludes the ride. Still practicing these manuals.